everyone, this is Sam Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So this is a rundown of all the cards that I made last month, the month of February, using the paper pad of the month paper pads from the Not Too Shabby shop. So you can subscribe, but I believe that they are now available in the shop as a standalone product. I think they're separated, so you can buy whatever pad or pads you're interested in a la carte now. You can use the link in my my description box to get to the shop. There's also a coupon code in there for 10% off. So let's get into it. I made a ton of cards using this stuff. So here is the ones using this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go over. I'm going to do a really quick rundown of all the different things that I made so you can see how you can really... I feel like I'm missing some cards, but that's okay. we'll deal with it. So I made a lot using this one. This one I know I killed. I think I still have some paper left for glow, but... So I used a couple of different companies. I mostly used older Not Too Shabby shop, but I did use, I think I used Hello Bluebird and the Greeting Farm as well. So I did this one. I happen to love this one. I don't know why. I just love how soft. And I did a shaker, mini slimline. So I did shaker right here. I did Kendra's card sketches, which really, you use a lot of stuff when you use that. So, but you can see how you can make just some beautiful cards with this paper. And so, and I used some of the cut aparts that you can find in the paper pad, but also showing you as well how you can just use your stamps, ephemera that you might have on hand. So a ton of really beautiful cards. Okay, so there's that. And then glow, like I said, I feel like I have more, but I don't know. Maybe this is it. So I've got a bunch of slimlines, and these were all using the Not Too Shabby shop, different stamp sets. Some of these are still available. I love this one, so if you haven't gotten this one's so cute. Right, so cute. And then this slimline as well. And then I did a shaker, and I did shaker. And I love this one. So that is some of the stuff that I made last month using the Not Too Shabby shop subscription box. And if you have not gotten your box, you should consider subscribing to the box. Or you can wait and you can see what's available, and you could buy a la carte. Maybe you only want or can get, a paper pad or a stamp set. That way you can pick and choose. But they have some really, really cute stuff. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.